Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start with our class. All of you take out your workbook. So children, let's start with our today's class. Before starting with our today's class, children, we'll just do few questions. So you have to write down the answers quickly in your copy, and then I will discuss the answers to these questions. So the first question is, the time between 12 midnight and midday is called what? So you know that in a day there is 24 hours and it is divided into 12 hours, children. So the time between 12 midnight and 12 midday, that is midday, is called what? Second, the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is called dash. Full form of AM. So quickly you write the answer of these questions in your copy. Okay. So let's discuss the answer. The time between 12 midnight and midday is called, children, morning. The time between midnight and midday is what? Morning. The time which starts from midnight and, children, after midnight, and that is between midnight and midday is your morning. Next, the time between 12 noon. 12 noon and midday both means the same. The time which starts from 12 noon and between 12 midnight, children, which starts from 12 noon is what? Is your, which time it is, children? You can write a afternoon, you can write a evening, afternoon and evening, right? Next, full form of AM. We know that the time between midnight and midday is AM and the time between noon and midnight is your PM. So what is the full form of AM, children? Ante-meridiem. Correct. Ante-meridiem. Write the spelling correctly, children. So now you take out your workbook. Let's do workbook. Let's start with page number 10. Questions up to question number 18 was done. So now we'll start with question number 11. Question number 1, that is page number 10, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question number 1. Which of these activities is done earlier? Earlier means which activity is done first? Earlier. Showering, waking up in the morning, having dinner or having lunch. The first work which we do in the morning, children, is what? We wake up in the morning. Isn't it? So the correct answer is option B. Done? Then number 2. Number 2, Rajesh is making a word from the given image. This is, you can see the given image and Rajesh is making a word by putting 1, 3 words, then here are 2 words, right? So 1, 2, then 3. This is how. First he put 1 word, then he have put 2 words, then he have put 3 words, then at last he have put 4 words, right? Then the word is complete. Which of the following steps comes later than the other? So which step comes later than the other, children? You know this is the last. So this is the later one, right? So what is the correct option? Option D. Option D. Next, number 3. 4 animals went to the pond one by one. This is a pond, children. This blue color is a pond. And 4 animals went there, but one by one. First one came, then another came, then it became 2 animals, then 3 animals, then it became 4 animals. Which picture comes earlier than the others? So first, children, it started with how many animals? It started with 1 animal, right? So that is elephant. So the correct option is B. Which picture comes earlier than the others? Option B. Done? Let's move to next. 4. Which of these takes the least time to get filled? Least time, children, the most less time. Least time means the most less time. Now, which is small in size? Spoon, right? Spoon is small in size. So, it is very obvious that it will take least time to get filled, right? So, the correct option is A. Correct option is A. Number 5. Which of the following takes most time? Most time means extreme time. Okay. So, which of the following take the most time? Cutting vegetables and making food, eating food, filling water in a glass and drinking, eating chocolates. B, C, D will not take much time, children. A will take most time, that is cutting vegetables and making food. You are doing two works here, right? So, option A. Next, number 6. Which of the following takes least time, the most less time? Which of the following will take least time, children? Brushing teeth, taking a shower, wearing uniform, or tying shoelace? Tying shoelace. Correct option is D. Next, fill in the blanks. For each event, write more or less in the blank. So, there are two events, children, happening here in each question. So, you have to say whether the first event is taking less time than the other or more time than the other. Basically, you are going to see the first event, that is okay. The first event you have to see whether this is taking more time or less time than the other. So, let's do it. Number 7. Reading a page takes dash time than reading a book. A page is, children, single page. It won't take much time, but to complete one complete maths book, if you have to complete one maths book, all the exercises, then it will take lots of time, right? So, reading a page will takes less time. Next, 8. Filling a glass with water takes dash time than filling a bucket. Now, glass is small in size, so it will take less time. L-E-S-S, less. Number 9. Baking a cake takes dash time than eating a biscuit. Eating a biscuit is small, isn't it? Small in size, so it won't take much time. But baking a cake, it takes lots of time, isn't it? So, baking a cake will take more time. So, you just have to choose the option from this more or less, whether it will be more or less. Clear? Next, number 10. Very short answer questions. Which of the following takes more time? Growing a plant or growing a tree? Now, children, tree is big in size, isn't it? So, it will take more time. So, you can write here growing. You can write the spelling from here, children. Growing a tree. You can write here growing a tree. Okay. Next, number 11. Filling water in a bucket and filling water in a glass. So, children, bucket is big in size and glass is small in size, right? So, what will take more time? Filling water in a bucket. So, you can write the option here. Okay. Next, 12. So, you can see this child is walking and this child is running. So, what will take more time, children? Walking, then we move slowly, isn't it? But when we run fast. So, we can reach quickly. Whereas, if we walk, it will take more time. So, walking is the correct option. Walking. W-A-K-L-K-I-N-G. Walking. So children, next question number 13. Fill in the blanks with words given in the box. So you can see in this box what words are here. More time, less time. So children, you have to say which of these will take more time and which will take less time. Saying A to Z or saying 1 to 100. If you say A to Z, we'll say this quickly, right? Whereas if we say 1 to 100, it will take time. So here it comes more time and here it will come less time. Next, B. Eating 4 grapes or eating 4 apples. Here are 4 apples which are big in size, children, which are big in size, right? And whereas grapes are small in size, and eating 4 grapes will not at all take much time, right? So here it will be less time and here it will be more time. And here it will be more time. Next, number 14. Take the activity that takes less time than the other. Less time. So children, you can see this is a cycle and this is a scooty, right? Whereas he is paddling himself, whereas this is run with petrol. So which will take your less time? Scooty will take less time, right? Next, going by car or going by plane. So what will take less time? Very clear, right? Aeroplane will take, with aeroplane will go far, will reach fast, right? So it will take less time. Next, number 15. Which activity will take less time than the other? Riding on the back of a camel, or when the word or is there, it means you have 2 options. Riding on the back of a camel or traveling by bus. Camel, you know children, it takes lot of time, right? But if you travel by bus, you will reach fast. So which one takes less time? Traveling by bus. So you can write here traveling by bus. Clear? Then number 16. Take the activities that take more time. Here child is running and here the child is going by bicycle. So children, in running will take more time, isn't it? Whereas bicycle, if you ride a bicycle, you will reach quickly. You can try this at home in your balcony only. If you just see, or in your open area where you ride the cycle and your friend is running, you will see that your whoever rides the cycle will take less time. Next, B. Here the man is riding this bike and here the man is riding bicycle. So what will take your children more time? What will take more time? Going by bicycle, isn't it? Number 17. On which 2 activities do you spend more time in the evening? So children, you can give this answer yourself. You know that which 2 activities you do in the evening and you take more time. You spend more time in that, okay? Then the last question, 18. Observe the class timetable given below. Answer the question that follow. So you have to observe this timetable, class timetable. Then we have to answer to the questions given below. How many drawing periods are there in a week? Which period, children? Drawing periods. Where, when? In a week. Week means completes this days. That means from Monday to Saturday. Now let's count all the drawing periods, children. On Monday, is there any drawing period? This is Monday. So is there any drawing period on Monday, children? No. Then Tuesday, yes, 1. Wednesday, 2, right? Then Thursday, there is no drawing period. Friday, there is no drawing period. And Saturday also, there is no drawing period. So altogether, how many periods are there? 3 periods. So you put A and write 3. 3 periods. Next, B. Which period is more in numbers on a Thursday? On Thursday, children, which period is more than one time? Let's see. Storytelling. Storytelling, there are two classes. EVS one class, AV, English, games. So all are one class, but storytelling, there is two classes. So which period is this? You write storytelling period. Okay. Which period is more in number on Thursday, children? Storytelling. You can write the answer storytelling. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.